Fix old cameras.
With the top cover removed, the shutter speed dial will need to be placed back onto the shutter speed linkage after the light meter linkage is set into the proper position. The shutter speed dial should be set at 1/4 of a second and just a little past 64 on the ASA setting. This will allow access to the set screw access hole to tighten the shutter speed dial into position. Once the shutter speed dial is locked in place, the shutter speed in the ASA can be set to match a calibrated light source. With a meter set to a matching light source, the galvanometer itself can be tweaked by moving the armature arm of the coil with a small probe. You need to be careful of the small coil springs, hair springs, so you don't damage those. But by moving the screwdriver within the small slot, a linear adjustment to the position of the needle as it is viewed in the light meter can be made. Whew. Didn't know what needed to be said would be said in the allotted time.
Thank you for watching.